Harivom children, how are you all? Today we see the topic synthetic fibers and plastics. Yes, this is the lesson for 3 in chemistry, first lesson. What is fibers? What are the types of fibers? Yeah, natural and synthetic fiber. What are synthetic fibers? Do you know, students? Is there any idea to you? Yes, synthetic fibers are the fibers made by humans by the chemical synthesis and not derived directly from the living organisms. Synthetic fibers are the fibers made by humans by the chemical synthesis only, not for the living organisms. In natural fibers is living organism only. Okay, are you able to follow? Yes. What are the different types of synthetic fibers? The different types of synthetic fibers include rayon, acrylic, nylon, polyester. What are the types? Rayon, nylon, polyester. See this image, students. What are the materials? Four types of materials. Rayon. This is first one is rayon. Second one is polyester material. Third one is nylon. And fourth one is acrylic. Are you able to follow this material, children? Yes, these are the four types of synthetic fibers material. Next, we see the topic how are synthetic fibers different from natural fibers? What is the heading, children? How are synthetic fibers different from natural fibers? Natural fibers are the fibers that are obtained by plants and animals. Only obtained by where? Plants and animals. Whereas artificial fibers are the fibers that are synthesized by humans only. In natural fibers that are obtained by plants and animals. In artificial fibers or man-made fibers is synthesized by humans only. Okay, some of the natural fibers, for example, wool, cotton, jute, silk, etc. What are the types? Wool, cotton, jute, silk, etc. In man-made fibers, nylon and rayon. In man-made fibers, nylon and rayon. Next we see the topic, what are the uses of synthetic fibers? Next we see the topic, what is the heading of this topic? The uses of synthetic fibers. Making ropes, making fishing nets, seat belts. What is the uses of synthetic fibers? First one is making ropes, making fishing nets, seat belts. For example, polyester is a wrinkle-free fiber obtained from coal and petroleum. Polyester is a wrinkle-free fiber obtained from coal and petroleum and is used for making jackets, raincoats and ropes. Synthetic fibers are used making jackets, raincoats and ropes. In ropes, we used in the nylon material. In ropes, we used in the nylon material. Next, we see the topic difference between thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. What is the heading of this lesson? Thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. Is there any idea, students? Okay, now we see the topic. In thermoplastic, usually becomes soften on heating and cooling. Soften on heating and cooling. In thermosetting plastics, does not become soft. Thermosetting plastics does not become soft. In thermoplastic, expand very much on heating. Thermoset plates, their expansion is only marginal due to heat. In thermoplastics, they are formed by addition, polymerization. In thermoset plastics, they are formed by condensation, polymerization. Condensation, polymerization. In thermoplastic, they are usually soft, weak, and less brittle in nature. In thermosetting plastics, they are usually hot, strong, and more brittle in nature. This is a soft and this is the hard. Okay, are you able to follow? In thermoplastic can be remolded, can be easily remolded. In thermosetting plastics, they can't be remolded. In thermosetting plastics, they can't be remolded. Compare with the cost, the thermoplastic is so much expensive. They are expensive. In thermosetting plastics, they are cheap. Thermoplastic is expensive. Thermosetting plastics are cheap. Thermoplastic is soluble in organic solvents. Thermoplastic is soluble in organic solvents. Thermosetting plastics are insoluble in organic solvents. Insoluble in organic solvents. Long chain linear in thermoplastics. 3D structure in thermosetting plastics. By addition polymerization, by condension polymerization, in thermoplastics can be reshaped and reused. In thermosetting plastics cannot be reshaped. In thermoplastics reclaimed for waste. In thermosetting polymers cannot be reclaimed. Cannot be reclaimed. These are the difference between thermosetting and thermoplastics. An example for thermoplastic is polythene. Example for thermoplastic is polythene. An example for thermosetting plastic is bakelite. An example for thermosetting plastic is bakelite. Thank you, children.